For installation on a side pin with lock, the connector you will be using can be found in the blue bag. If the connector found in the blue bag comes in two pieces, be sure to attach the expander pin onto the connector before proceeding with directions. Lift the arm in an upright position and place a towel underneath. This will protect the windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. Ensure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. For best results, install in a cool, dry place and not in direct sunlight or extreme heat. Remove the pre-installed connector. Attach the connector from the blue bag to your wiper. Hold wiper blade in an upside-down position and slide into pin. Rotate blade 45 degrees to lock in place. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Removal. Lift the arm in an upright position and place a towel underneath. Rotate the blade 45 degrees and pull blade out of pin arm.